शैली की भूमिका की है साक्षी नायगावकर ने, की है रोहित वानखेडे ने, और इसमें रवि की भूमिका की है श्रेयस अक्षर ने।
नीचे नहीं दिखना, ऐसा कुछ
के माध्यम से बीते 35 सालों से जो भी विषय आज के हो या हिस्टोरिकल हो, ऐसे सभी विषयों पर हम लोग अपने नाटक लोगों तक पहुंचाने की कोशिश करते हैं और आप सभी का प्यार हमारे साथ है। मैं सबसे निवेदन करता हूँ सर प्लीज आइए रंगमंच पर, और सभी का, मैं सभी दोस्तों का, ये एनर्जेटिक दोस्तों का मैं बहुत 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 मैं इनका शुक्रिया का व्यक्त करता हूँ। हाँ प्लीज सर।
An incredible performance truly that shook us to the core. Kudos to the entire Gaktar team for bringing raw truth and resilience to the stage. I now invite Sri Shapun Mondol, founder director of Shudraka Hyderabad, to kindly felicitate Virender ji and his entire team from Nagpur. Garudan Rangabhumi presenting to us Gaktar. Also like to felicitate you for all the great support that you have been to us for the last 3 days.
थिएटर उस स्ट्रगल से जन्म लेता है, स्ट्रगल में अंत होता है। हम जो दुनिया बहुत कुछ नहीं है, लेकिन हमारे पास ऑडियंस है। ऑडियंस जब तक रहेंगे हम थिएटर वाले थिएटर करते रहेंगे। आज देखे हैं इन लोगों को, हम इनको जो चाहिए था हम दे नहीं सका। हैदराबाद इज नॉट अ थिएटर सिटी। यहाँ मैं चाहूं तो भी एक इमीडिएट एक कारपेंटर बुला के मैं स्टेज बना कर नहीं दे पाता हूँ, क्योंकि ये थिएटर का समझते ही नहीं है। यहाँ थिएटर का सेट बनाना कितना मुश्किल है। यहाँ है टॉलीवुड है, बड़े बड़े चीज़ है, बड़े बड़े करोड़ का सेट बनता है, लेकिन थिएटर के लिए 1000, 2000, 5000 का स्टेज नहीं बनाते हैं लोग। सो अगर हमारे तरफ से कुछ कमी रह गए तो हम माफी चाहते हैं आप सबसे। एंड हम तकलीफ दिए हैं, रियली देते हैं, क्योंकि हम तकलीफ लेते हैं इसलिए तकलीफ देते हैं, और कोई कुछ नहीं है। हम बहुत तकलीफ लेते हैं, बहुत पेन लेते हैं, तो इसलिए देते भी हैं। तो फिर ऐसे थिएटर रहना 3000 years पार करके है, और 3000 years हमको चल रहा है। ओके, तो थैंक यू नागपुर एंड गट्टर टीम।
భూతాన్ని యజ్ఞోపవేతాన్ని వైప్లవ్య గీతాన్ని నేను స్మరిస్తే పద్యం, అరిస్తే వాక్యం, అనల వేదిక ముందు అస్త్ర నైవేద్యం.
हौसले को जिंदगी कहते हैं। मैं तो अकेला ही चला था जाने में मंजिल, लेकिन लोग आते गए और कारवा बनता गया।
तुलपार 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 तुलपार। थैंक यू।
And tell about direct things and regarding this 3 days program.
Hello, I'm Shobhini from Shudraka Hyderabad. Our group, Shudraka Hyderabad, organized a 3-day theatre festival, a multilingual theatre festival, under the aegis of the Department of Language and Culture, Government of Telangana. And this year it was really special as we paid tribute to 3 iconic figures in the field of art and culture, namely Badal Sarkar, Ritik Ghatak and Sholil Chaudhary. So through seminars, through performances and through songs, we paid our tribute to these 3 iconic people in the field of art and culture. This is because this was the centenary year of these 3 iconic figures.
So how many plays were in
So altogether there were 6 plays. So 2 were in-house productions.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 2 were in-house productions. So we opened with a Telugu play, Dora, and then it was followed by a Bengali play which was based on a folk form, Cho, Mati Jono, and then on the second day we had two more plays. Like one was Badal Sarkar's Beach. It was done in the 3rd theatre style, and second play was a Hindi play which is Manto Ke Afsane, performed by a Delhi group, Shopno Akhun. And today was the concluding day of the festival, and it started with our Shudraka's in-house production collage. It is a collage of 6 iconic plays of Badal Sarkar that has been stitched together by our director, Sri Shopon Model. He adapted it and directed the play. And then we had a seminar, and the seminar was conducted by Sri Shomik Bandyopadhyay, and he's a legend and probably the person who actually was a catalyst for Badal Sarkar to write his plays and stuff, because he's the person who ensured that Ebong Indrajit was published in the first place. So that's the first play that was received by all the playwrights across India. So, and probably one of the most translated and performed plays across India in this by Sri Sarkar. So that was he had the seminar, and then it was followed by Bahujan Rangbhumi from Nagpur. They are having the Marathi play. So that is what our festival is all about.
who were the main guests or
Today's Shri Dr. Mamedi came in.
Krishna.
Yeah. So this is done under the aegis. So Dr. Mamedi Hari Krishna had been a great support, and Professor Sanjay Mukhopadhyay was there, and Samik Bandyopadhyay was also supposed to travel and be there in the festival for all the 3 days. Unfortunately, he was hospitalized, and that's why he could not travel, and that's why we had to have this seminar on virtually. So he still was with his indomitable spirit, he did not say no to us. So he was there in the festival, but virtually.
So since how many years you have been organizing this festival?
This festival, we are doing theatre. Shudrak is doing theatre for 21 years. It is the 21st year of Shudrak Hyderabad, so it's an iconic year for the group as well. But the festival, this multilingual theatre festival, we have started. This is our 3rd year. Yes, this is our 3rd year.
आज के नाटक में कितने कैरेक्टर्स रहे मैडम?
कौन सा वाला? हमारे वाले?
जी.
हमारे वाले नाटक में 14 members were there on stage,
जी.
and इस वाले नाटक में there are 12 members on stage,
Okay.
like the Marathi play.
जी.
So how is the journey on this 3
Oh,
years?
it's
How
a
is
it's a very
response
privilege.
from the
No, the audience response is fantastic. Like, for example, the Purulia group who performed a Bengali play, Mate Chorno, in the folk form of Chho. Okay, they tried to bring Chho in the proscenium form. I have seen myself that Telugu audience, they don't understand the language at all, but still they came up and congratulated the person, the director Gautam Dashundu, and none of these people speak the other's language. Of course, Gautam Dashundu doesn't speak Telugu, and the person who has gone up there to say good things about his play doesn't speak Bengali, but it was never a stopping factor where, they could not intermingle with each other. That was the great thing. And so is true for that another Bengali play that we had. And the Hindi play has a much wider audience for obvious reason, because Hindi definitely is understood by a lot. Yeah. So that was there. And our play Collage, we actually had Telugu, English, Bengali and Hindi in the same play. And the people who watched, they told they never felt that it was jerky, that we are switching language, like one after another. So the one person, he probably starts speaking in Telugu, shifts to Bengali, comes back to Telugu, speaks Hindi, and the audience is fine, and they don't, in fact they appreciate it, because okay, if I'm not understanding one particular language, I'm understanding the other, so I'm getting the context. And more important, my Bengali audience is telling okay, I understood the Bengali part well, obviously, but the Telugu part, which I did not understand word to word, but I got the essence, what is being told there. So as a theatre practitioner, that is probably the biggest achievement that we can think of, that we are not minding anything, we are not trying to discriminate or disintegrate, we are trying to be inclusive, and that is one of the reasons for having this multilingual festival. We, like Bhojan Rangbhumi, who came here, they could have probably performed it in Hindi. They told us also, but we said no, we want you to perform in Marathi, because people need to understand that what we believe in, that we might speak different languages, but in essence the human content is so similar.
To encourage artists, actually, are you giving any cash prize or like that, or else encouragement of the play like that?
Cash prize, this is not a competition.
Okay.
This is not a competition, so there is no question of prize. Okay. So what we are hosting them, we are whatever, for their stay, for everything. Local hospitality we are providing. We are trying to provide the conveyance, because they have to come here and perform like that. So that is the thing, but it's not a prize, it's because...
To encourage artists, are you doing any sort of this thing?
No, encourage financial thing, that look, we don't have our financial backup ourselves, so it is very impossible for us to even think of it. But and also, had it been a competition, then it would have been there is a competition, there is a prize. But this is not a competition, this is a curated festival.
Do you organize any competition?
No, we don't organize competition. We don't.
हैदराबाद के लोग और कल्चरल कैसा लगा आपको?
मैं तो हैदराबादी हूँ
जी. अच्छा.
मैं हैदराबादी हूँ. मैं हैदराबाद में पैदा हुई हूँ. ठीक है ना? तो फिर तो हैदराबाद हमेशा इंक्लूसिव है. हैदराबाद बहुत कॉस्मोपॉलिटन कल्चर है. आप कहीं से भी आए हो, कोई भी भाषा बोल लेते हो, कुछ भी कर लेते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. यहाँ तक हैदराबाद बिंदास है. Festival? No, our group is from Hyderabad.
Okay.
So we organize festival here, but we go for other festivals. We get invites from other different national theatre festivals. They invite Shudrak and we go and perform. So we perform all across India. And our director, founder director Sri Shopan Mondal, he even goes abroad because he has gone to different countries and worked with literally legendary artists and all. So yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. And our set designer.
Okay.
Okay, and that's Tipo.
Okay.
Though he looks small, but he also helps.
He's the youngest member
He's the youngest
Okay.
member of Shudra.
Okay.
and Devashisa is
Yes, sir.
our makeup artist.
Okay.
Yeah. And Shiraj as well.
Okay.
Yes. And this is Pranay. He is he's with Shudra,
Okay.
and he's currently studying theatre arts in University of Hyderabad.
Okay.
And,
So he got his inspiration from here only.
Nice to
and
meet you.
he's Rishi.
Yes.
He's a member of Shudraka Hyderabad.
Okay. Hero material. ఈ డెక్కర్ గానికి వెళ్ళి వేయచ్చు మేడం మీరు గ్రూప్ ఫోటో